The Linden hospital complex impasse is nearing a month without any progress in having it resolved, even as staff at the institution continue to protest the dismissal of Chief Executive Officer Rudolph. Two parties who play a significant role in bringing the matter to an end, health authorities and the Guyana Public Service Union, still cannot see eye to eye. The union is adamant that Small should be removed from his post at the institution immediately following his vilifying comments to regional news entity about the conduct of nurses employed at the hospital. However, the health ministry, having initially dismissed Small after his comments were made public, reinstated him and he continues to function in that capacity. During a press conference on Monday, Health Minister Dr. Frank Anthony, in providing an update on the matter, said the Ministry of Labour is now facilitating the necessary engagements on the way forward for the affected staff at the hospital.
We are waiting on the union to continue that engagement. The union knows our position, and we are hoping that we can bring the situation to an end very quickly. As you know, that strike is illegal. We have said so to the staff, and we are trying to reconcile whatever issues they have. But that is being done through a process that is organized by the Ministry of Labour.
He pointed out that the strike action is illegal and all efforts are being placed into ensuring that operations at the institution return to normalcy soonest. Nonetheless, the union claims that the minister is misinformed. First Vice President of the Guyana Public Service Union, Don Gardiner, who spoke with Nightly News exclusively via telephone on Tuesday, disclosed that recent interactions with Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Health, Malcolm Watkins, it was proffered that discussions between the two parties will commence after the protest actions are terminated and the staff return to work. Gardiner explained that the union will not allow the workers to return to an unsafe environment.
The decision of the ministry is for the workers to return to work with Mr. Small, and the union and the ministry commence discussion. And we can't allow something like that to happen. We cannot allow something like that to happen. How is it that you're going to have Mr. Small and these workers in that environment where Mr. Small used all those derogatory remarks?
When asked about whether the industrial action is illegal, as the minister claims, Gardiner says she knows nothing about that. Protest actions began in Linden on Monday, March 1st, after Small's comments made during an interview with a regional reporter were made public. He alleged that the nurses were observed signing into work at the beginning of their shift and leaving to sleep with extramarital lovers. Small, having been dismissed by way of letter on March 1st, was reinstated on March 3rd. Days after his vile comments entered the public space, he issued two apologies to the nurses at the institution. Efforts to contact Chief Labour Officer Charles Ogle via phone proved futile. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.